Welcome back. Well, the second half of the trading session generally tends to get a bit ugly, and that's how it's shaping up even now. The Nifty is now once again resuming its downtrend. It's down about 40-odd points, and the Bank Nifty is the one where the wounds are pretty deep, so down almost 220 points now. But let's do one thing. Let us speak to a management. Paras Defense and Space Technologies is in focus. The company has signed an MOU with an Israeli-based company called CONTROP Precision Technologies, and this is to manufacture electro-optic systems for various applications. Amit Mahajan, who's the Director of Business Development at Paras Defense, joins us now. Amit, can you tell us a little bit about the nature of this partnership? What does this bring to the table for you at Paras Defense, and what kind of revenue potential do you see from such a partnership?
Good afternoon. Firstly, thank you for having me over. This is, I should say, a very remarkable event in our company's business. And today, I can tell you very proudly that CONTROP is probably one of the world's biggest exclusive electro-optics and infrared manufacturer for various platforms, which include helicopters, which include aviation, which includes drones. And what it means for Paras is we are partnering with one of the world's best and producing some things which are not being produced in the country, which are electro-optic complete payloads for, say, from small drones to medium-scale UAVs. Now, that's something which is really, really important. This not only opens up opportunities for the domestic market, but also opens up great opportunities for global markets.
Amit, just wanted a couple of numbers from you. Currently, what is your order book? What does it stand at? How much of that is export-led? What do you expect that to go to after this deal? And you said that it is also into UAVs, which I presume would be drones as well. You have a target of 100 crores coming in from drones by FY25. What is the glide path to that?
So the current order book is in excess of 550, and it is increasing every week. This is one of the best order book that we've ever had. And the opportunity size is growing even larger. And I shall not have any qualms in telling you that we should be having an opportunity size of more than 1,300-1,400 crores in RKT. So the coming days and the coming years look very, very promising. Like I mentioned to you earlier about the drones, yes, it's going to hit the 100 crore mark in the couple of years. What this particular partnership means is not only empowering our drone efforts and our drone subsidiary, but also this company has had a legacy of business doing in India. Also, they are world leaders in this particular camera systems for drones. So this means their existing customers and existing markets also open for us. Now, currently in our order book, there is not much of export that we have, but with this partnership over the period of time, with its own maturity levels, maybe in the next 2 to 3 years, you should see a significant export growth.
Okay. So, Amit, based on what you're telling us with regards to this Israeli joint venture which is coming on board, the kind of demand that you're seeing in your order book, and you're seeing weekly queries as per what you've indicated, can you give us a sense in terms of what the quarterly run rate would look like for the company? Because going by Q3, your revenue is up 31%. You've generated around 61 crores in terms of sales, almost 10 crores in terms of profit. Is that a base that we're working with now for coming quarters? And what might be the jump that we could see on a quarterly basis?
I don't want to make forward-looking statements, but we're doing good. This year we will end up doing a good increase from the last year.
But are we assuming that 60? Are we assuming this is a base that you're going to be generating on a quarterly basis now going forward?
Our business is not very quarterly. Our business is very project-oriented, and I have to always bring you to this point that we are, some projects, they go in Q3, some projects that go in Q4, some projects go in Q1. But yearly, if you look at yearly, we are doing good. And the next year is going to be much, much better than this year as well. So things are looking good.
So, the last time you told us that the drones market is about to explode with opportunities. You have been very optimistic. But tell us, in this defense drone space, right, what kind of order visibility do you see? How big could the market opportunity be over the next, say, 5 to 10 years? And even in the very near term, what is the kind of order visibility that you have?
There are multiple reports. EVA and FICCI came out with a very good report, and they actually revised their report in a year's time from a merely 3,000 crore opportunity market to almost 10 times, which is about 40,000 crores by 2025, and 90,000 crores in the next, say, 5 years from now. So you can imagine it's going in an exponential direction.
Okay. Amit, I remember earlier in the year you had invested in Ayati Innovative Private Limited, which is basically manufacturing structural metal products for railway coaches. Increasingly, we've seen a lot of orders come by for railway wagons, coaches, wheels as well. All the railway stocks have been buzzing around as well. What has been your experience here? How big has Ayati been? And what's the plan with this investment going forward?
So the investment is very new. The Ayati investment will get you results, say, in a year's time. We are working on it. We have started building the products which are required for the railways. There is a process of certification of products that you sell for railways. Ayati has been in that business, and it is a new market for us. So we are trading quite cautiously and quite slowly. But say maybe again the same thing will also peak by around 25.
Okay. Around a month ago, actually exactly a month ago, you had signed an MOU with Yantra India Limited, which is a part of the Ministry of Defence. Can you tell us if there's any progress with regards to that MOU on the ground?
So the good part is we have been working for Yantra for a very long time. Now what Yantra would like to do is like to work with handful of companies and explore newer businesses also working with those companies. And the reason for signing a very broad level MOU was the same, that we are amongst those companies that they thought that they can work on a larger perspective than just one or two products.
Just two quantitative details I wanted, Amit. You said exports will be a significant portion of your book. Just wanted how much do you expect it to be? And secondly, Ayati, you said will peak out in FY25. What could the revenue of that business look like that time?
First, I will want to answer the first one. I don't think export will be a significant part of the order book. Export will grow because of our CONTROP JV, because they have their export customers already. There is the domestic business is booming, and our full focus will be on domestic business, which includes our products at the same time the products of CONTROP JV, because even for their products, the domestic market is a huge market. Export market, their existing customers become our benefit, it becomes our bonus customers for us, and that is why it will grow. Coming to the second one, the Ayati is expected to clock in tens of crores. If not, if I be very optimistic, 40-50 crores is something which I can clock in the year 25.
Okay, all right. We'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in and talking about the defense business. The stock, however, has seen a big fall. If you look at the last 1 year of Paras Defense, it's come off from 800 and now at sub 500 rupees. So there's definitely pressure that we've seen in the last 12 months or so. Let's do one thing. Let's take a quick break. On the other side, Sudeep Shah of SBI Securities will be with us. He'll give us some trading strategies as well. Stay tuned.